Hey, have you ever encountered the frustrating issue of maximum upload size exceeded while using WordPress? If so, you're not alone. Welcome to my channel, where I share tricks and tips about WordPress. Let's get started. The issue of maximum upload size exceeded is a common problem that many users of the popular website content management system faces. But don't worry, there's a solution, and it's simpler than you might think. Typically, the maximum upload size in WordPress can range anywhere from 2 megabytes to a whopping 150 megabytes, all depending on the settings of your web hosting service. But what if you need to upload larger files? Well, that's where this video comes in handy. So let's dive right in and learn how to increase the maximum upload size in WordPress in just 4 easy steps. The first thing you need to do is log into your cPanel. Once you're in, scroll down until you find the software section. Here you'll find a tool called the PHP INI editor. Click on it. As you scroll through the PHP INI editor, you'll eventually come across an option that says maximum upload size. This is the key to solving your problem. Change the value to 100 megabytes or more, depending on the size of the file you wish to upload on your website. Once you've made your changes, don't forget to click Apply. Now, head back to your WordPress media and check. If you followed these steps correctly, you should now be able to upload larger files without encountering the maximum upload size exceeded error. And there you have it, an easy, step-by-step guide to increasing the maximum upload size in WordPress. No more frustration, no more limitations, just a smoother, more efficient WordPress experience. If you found this video helpful, why not share it with your friends? They might be facing the same issue, and this video could be the solution they've been searching for. And don't forget to keep an eye on this page for more helpful content like this. Remember, with a little knowledge and the right tools, there's no WordPress problem you can't solve. Happy uploading!